The stock market can feel unpredictable at the best of times, but when there's a sharp drop, it can send waves of panic through your retirement funds. If you're an American retiree, the stakes are even higher. Losing hard-earned savings can be devastating, and that's why understanding how to protect your retirement fund is essential. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid major losses during a market downturn, and I'll share strategies that could make all the difference in the security of your wealth. If you're worried about what a market drop could do to your savings, stay tuned, because I'm going to walk you through some simple yet powerful actions you can take now to safeguard your retirement. One of the most effective ways to shield your savings from market fluctuations is by diversifying your portfolio. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. While traditional stocks and bonds are part of a typical portfolio, during market drops they can be highly vulnerable. But what if you could balance this risk with assets that traditionally perform better in times of economic uncertainty? That's where gold IRAs come in. Gold has historically been a safe haven during market downturns. When stocks tumble, gold tends to hold or even increase in value, giving you the protection your retirement fund needs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to access the free guide on gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are turning to them for security, and this guide shows you why. Now, let's talk about what happens when you don't have a strategy for market drops. A lot of people think they can just ride out the ups and downs, but if you're not careful, you could end up losing a significant chunk of your savings during a downturn. But there are ways to protect yourself from this. One key move is reallocating your investments. If you haven't reviewed your portfolio in the last year, you might be sitting on risky assets that could tank when the market drops. For example, if you're holding mostly stocks or high-risk bonds, it might be time to look into a more balanced portfolio. Adding assets like precious metals or even real estate can help stabilize your wealth and limit the impact of market volatility. And yes, gold IRAs can be a crucial part of that balance, offering you a stable asset class that tends to thrive during economic uncertainty. Another critical step in avoiding major losses is ensuring your portfolio has a clear exit strategy. If you're heavily invested in the stock market and are nearing retirement, it might be time to start scaling back on those high-risk investments. Transitioning into safer, more stable options is key to protecting your wealth. Gold IRAs provide that safety net. Unlike other assets, they're not as prone to wild fluctuations, making them a great option when the market is unpredictable. If you're still not sure how to set up a gold IRA, or why it's so valuable for people like you, again, don't forget to check out that free gold IRA guide linked below. It's a great resource to get you started and help you understand how a gold IRA could be the right fit for you if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even if you have more than $5 million in savings. But let's move on to another factor that can help you avoid massive losses: understanding the power of timing. While no one can predict the market perfectly, there are certain indicators that show when it might be wise to make moves. For example, if you see signs of inflation or interest rates rising, those can be signals that you should take action to protect your funds. But how do you do this effectively? Through an informed, diversified portfolio. This is where consulting with a gold IRA specialist or financial advisor can be invaluable. Finally, don't underestimate the value of working with an expert. Whether it's adjusting your portfolio, setting up a gold IRA, or simply understanding how to ride out a downturn, having the right knowledge at your disposal can mean the difference between a comfortable retirement and a financial setback. Now, if you've made it this far and you want to make sure your retirement stays secure, I strongly recommend checking out that free guide linked in the description. It's perfect for American retirees who have 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even those with $5 million plus in savings. Don't wait for a market drop to catch you off guard. Take control of your future and start securing your retirement today.